nights at Carragini and went via Tom Price so we could go to the dump point and watering point, which is in the information bay where the old haul pack truck is parked. And then we got some fuel, and now we're continuing on our way to Millstream, which is on a dirt road. So we've had a few corrugations, and we just stopped and checked the caravan. We don't seem to have any dust on the inside. Nothing much had moved at all, apart from a placemat had moved on the table. So everything in the cupboards seems to be securely placed. So we're quite happy about that. Oh, we've got a bit of bitumen here, and we're going to go through a little gorge.
We just left our campsite to take a walk to look at the old homestead here at Millstream. It's just through the trees, we'll be there in a minute.
This is the Millstream Homestead, built in 1919 for the purpose of a cattle station. Now in 1975 there was a downturn in the cattle business, so they converted the homestead into a bar and they sold beer on tap at the bar and meals in the kitchen area. And they had some rooms for guests. Behind me is what I think is an old drilling rig. It looks like it's a timber frame drilling construction on probably an old truck chassis. It's a pretty neat piece of work. Well, here we are at Deep Reach Millstream, which is where the big lagoon is, all the water. Unfortunately, the area has experienced a fire. I'm not exactly sure when it was. It may have been early this year. The shade sails have been burnt, all the trees are burnt, but they're rejuvenating and growing again. They also experienced flood around here, so some of the tracks and roads are closed. It's not how I remember it from many, many years ago when I was here, a tropical lush paradise. It's it looks quite different now. We're on the road again, heading to Point Sampson after spending 3 nights at the Millstream Campground. Nice campground, toilets, camp kitchen, shade shelters, barbecue, running water, but they suggest you don't drink the running water unless it's treated. The Millstream is a nice place, but unfortunately it is still recovering from the fire and flood that they had some time ago. We're going to stop in at Hardman Pool, which is part of Chichester National Park, as we get to Point Sampson. Python Pool.
Very pretty place. That is the worst bit. We'll just watch that tyre. Don't keep going real straight. Real straight.
We just dropped into Python Pool. Very nice spot. It's very scenic, tucked in amongst the hills. Great spot. The track going in was a little bit rocky. I didn't really expect it to be quite that rocky with the caravan on, but the caravan handled it no problems at all. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. So please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, keep on watching because there's lots more good stuff to come.